Hi, Sean Riley here with Cherry Creek Properties. Thank you for tuning into my monthly real estate update for May 2013 for the Denver metro area. I've been a realtor here in the Denver area for 18 years, and this is kind of my thoughts and takes on the state of the real estate market through the end of May 2013. If you have any questions about what you're about to hear, about buying a home, about selling a home, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can always reach me at 303 520 8700. So here we are, May 2013, a good solid 5 months into 2013, and the real estate market here in the Metro Denver area has done extremely well here. Going back into 2012 when it started to pick up steam. Typically, when I am talking about the real estate market here in the Metro Denver area, I follow 5 counties: Adams, Arapahoe, Denver, Douglas, and Jefferson County, to give you an overall feel of the metro area. I know it kind of can expand northward and southward, but these are the 5 that I focus on. And when I do this, I tend to stick mostly year to date. That's where we kind of see the trends form in the market. But this month I'm going to be a little bit different. I do want to pay a little closer attention to new listings coming on the market. Going back for the last few years, inventory had been on the decline a lot. 50% less listings on the market last year than the late part of 2008, 2009, and it hasn't totally recovered as of yet, but I do kind of want to show you this is one of the bigger months that I've seen in recent time in terms of inventory. So I follow new listings of the different counties, and if we look in May, just year over year from 2012 to 2013, Adams County's up 24%, 23.5%. In Arapahoe, 30, almost 31%. In Denver, Douglas is up 25. Jefferson is up 22.3. The reason I bring this up is the kind of cat is out of the bag. I think people are now kind of believing that this is a solid market, and also my best guess on this as well is a lot of these people that maybe weren't able to sell before because they were maybe either teetering at what they bought it for, or were underwater on it and they couldn't sell it. The market, and we'll get onto that and the average sold price here in a little bit, the market has rebounded and prices are up, so there's a good chance that, hey, now they can get out of that house and move forward. So the market is kind of caught up and allowed people to or allowing people to sell their homes at this point. So I just wanted to bring that up, that those are pretty big numbers on a monthly basis. They don't translate as of yet into the year over year between 2013 and 2012. Adams 16% here, only 10% in Arapahoe. Denver kind of lags, even though they're up almost 31% this month. Year over year, they're only up just a touch under 5%. Douglas at 10.5, and Jefferson County is up 7.8%. So inventory is starting to to hit the market, which is a decent sign. I think what was fueling the past few months, actually I maybe even go back 12, possibly even 18 months here, is just a lack of inventory, and then all of a sudden people deciding that they want to buy. You couple that last year and early part of this year with interest rates in the mid threes, and I think that is a huge reason that we've seen the growth that we've seen, the increase in price and property sold here recently. So inventory is up, and I think right now this data is somewhat delayed, so I'm sitting in July recording this on May data. And at this point, we do have the increase in inventory, and we've had a little bit of an uptick. So, to use, make it easy, 3.5 to 3.75 is about where interest rates were the last few months, and just here in the last couple weeks, they've ticked up into the low fours. Just use 4.25 to make it easy. And we couple that with some increase in inventory. We may not stay quite as hot as we've been here in the beginning of the year. We may temper a little bit here in the summer months. I still think it's going to be a solid real estate market, but you may actually have some time if you find a good listing to make an offer versus having to chase properties. But time will tell in that regard. So that's inventory. Properties that have been selling, again, the market's been hot. Properties year over year sold versus 2012. Adams County here, we're up 24.2%. It's actually just about 550 extra houses have thus far sold in 2013. Up 26% in Arapahoe County, up 14% in Denver, 31.1% increase here in Douglas County, and also up close to 25% in Jefferson County. So that is obviously a good sign as houses are selling. So whereas a couple of years ago people would put the house on the market and you could be sitting on the market for 110, 120 days, and you start to get a little bit tired of the showings. But at least now, in 2013, everything's looking solid. Numbers are definitely supporting an uptrend, and the market is definitely hot. May cool a little bit here in the next few months, but I still think it's going to stay extremely active. But time will tell. You can follow my ensuing monthly updates to kind of see where we're at as we progress throughout the year. Prices throughout all the counties are up double digits, save for Douglas County, which at this point's up 6.6% year over year. So still decent gains. Got Adams up 14.3, Arapahoe's up 13, Denver up 15, and then Jefferson up 11. So double digits, and certainly is good. I just don't want to get ahead of ourselves. Back in the late 90s, early 2000s, we were definitely just rocketing upward, and the market obviously could not sustain that pace. So if we cool off, it might actually be a good thing in terms of let the market stabilize, let the prices stabilize, and then we can kind of ratchet up in a systematic fashion. And then the last piece that I follow here are total days on the market, and as you can see, these are down huge as far as 30+% throughout all the counties. So in essence, taking what used to take about 3 months to sell a house is now down in the ballpark of plus or minus 2 months. So things are moving a whole lot quicker. Prices are up, and interest rates have gone up just a tad here lately. Inventory's up, which I think is going to certainly help a lot of buyers out. I mean, that's one of the biggest issues that I have with buyers that I'm working with, is we just don't have a whole lot to work with. So hopefully there will be a little bit more inventory on the market, make it a little easier for buyers to find homes, and all will remain the same. My best guess is that we'll remain solid throughout the summer. Maybe a little bit of cooling, but I still think it's going to be a solid real estate market. So, like I had mentioned back earlier in this video, if you have any questions in regards to buying a home, feel free to give me a call at 303-520-8700. Or you can search all of the listings online at mydenverrealestatesearch.com. And then also, if you're looking to sell, certainly give me a call. You can also go to the selling section of my Denver real estate search, and I can get you a free competitive market analysis to give you an idea of how much you can ultimately sell your home for. Anyway, thank you for listening. My name is Sean Riley with Cherry Creek Properties. Take care.